In this video, we're going to talk about the top 10 ways to save money. Before starting, do like the video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Saving money during the winter can be challenging since you're most likely to spend it on comfort food and house heating. However, if you can manage to save and put away some extra money over the winter, things should get easier as the days grow longer. Having obligations to pay and even living paycheck to paycheck like many Americans might make saving money seem tough. Number 10, buy used instead of new. Purchasing secondhand goods is another excellent strategy to save money and can put money back into your bank account every year. Can you get by with a car that's a few years old, or do you truly need a new one? It's a common belief that once you drive a car off the lot, its value decreases. Number 9, avoid impulse purchases. Avoiding impulsive purchases is a crucial money-saving tactic. Impulse buys are frequently made on the spur of the moment without any consideration or forethought, and they can quickly mount up over time. Make a list of everything you need to buy before you get to the store and make sure you stick to it. Avoid perusing aisles or sections where you can be tempted by stuff you don't need and only purchase the items on your list. Number 8, cook meals at home. Home cooking is a fantastic method to reduce your food budget, especially if you do it frequently. Eating out or getting takeaway can rapidly pile up and get extremely expensive. You have more control over the ingredients you use, portion sizes, and overall cost when you prepare meals at home. To save money, you might prepare your meals in advance and buy supplies in large quantities. Number 7, stop paying for cable television. Remember that some subscription services provide access to a significant amount of content for considerably less, and you are likely paying for cable TV before you raise the alarm. Although it could seem difficult at first, once you cut the connection, you'll probably never look back. You'll be grateful to your savings account for it. Number 6, use public transportation or carpool. A wonderful approach to reducing commuting costs is to use public transit or to carpool. Driving a car is frequently far more expensive than using public transit like buses, trains, and subways. Carpooling with coworkers, friends, or family who are traveling in the same direction as you can help you save money on gas, maintenance, and parking. Number 5, prepare for grocery shopping in advance. Going grocery shopping without a specific list is another easy method to go over your budget. One of the most crucial money-saving advice we can give is to make a list before you go grocery shopping. Make a week's worth of meals in advance. Make a list, then go through your cupboards and refrigerator, look for coupons and reward program deals. Number 4, use an automated tool. Utilizing an automated savings tool is a fantastic additional approach to save money. In order to prevent yourself from having the opportunity to spend the money first, you can work with your bank to set up a pre-authorized savings transfer to be deducted from your salary. It's incredible how soon you'll become used to the new situation. Number 3, set up savings goals. Saving money can be made simpler by setting concrete goals. No matter how big or small, it may be simpler to make sacrifices in other areas if you have a goal in mind, such as a family vacation or holiday gifts. To set goals and start saving money for them, use the Savings Goal Getters tool in the hub. Number 2, establish a budget. One of the best strategies to control your spending is to create a budget. Furthermore, it doesn't have to be challenging or overwhelming. You may establish monthly spending caps by category and monitor your spending in Huntington accounts using our Spend Setters function in the hub. You'll also be able to determine when you're spending too much or too little. Number 1, track your spending. The use of a credit card is one of the main causes of excessive spending. Swiping the card frequently makes it simple to lose sight of how the costs are accruing. You can keep track of exactly where your money goes and identify areas where you might need to make savings by frequently examining your spending. You might be shocked by how much money you spend each month on things like coffee and entertainment. So, what'd you think of this video? Let us know in the comment box below. Also, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. We'll see you next time.